Hello students, today we are going to learn the topic rounding off. Rounding off is a way to make a number simpler while keeping it close to its original value. We do this by changing the number to a nearby, easier number, often a whole number or a number with fewer digits. Now let's dive into rounding off whole numbers, starting with rounding off to the nearest 10. If the digit in the ones place is 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, that is less than 5, then we replace the ones place with 0. For example, if we take the number 5,817,424, since the ones place is 4, which is less than 5, we keep it as 5,817,420. On the other hand, if the digit in the ones place is 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, that is greater than or equal to 5 but less than 10, then we replace the ones digit with 0 and add 1 to the tens place. For example, in the number 62,75,985, the ones place is 5, which means we round it up to 62,75,990. Next, we will look at rounding off whole numbers to the nearest 100. If the digit in the tens place is 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, that is less than 5, we replace the ones and tens place with 0. For instance, in the number 5,817,424, since the tens place is 2, we round it down to 5,817,400. However, if the digit in the tens place is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, that is greater than 5 or equal to 5, but less than 10, then replace ones and tens digit by 0 and add 1 to the hundreds place. For example, in the number 62,75,885, since the tens place is 8, we round it up to 62,75,900. Now, let's move on to rounding off whole numbers to the nearest 1000. If the digit in the hundreds place is 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, that is less than 5, then we replace the ones, tens and hundreds place with 0. For example, 5,817,424 rounds down to 5,817,000 because the hundreds place is 4. However, if the digit in the hundreds place is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, that is greater than 5 or equal to 5, but less than 10, then replace ones, tens and hundreds digit by 0 and add 1 to the thousands place. For instance, 62,75,885 rounds up to 62,76,000 because the hundreds place is 8. Next, we will round off large numbers to the nearest 10,000. If the digit in the thousands place is 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, that is less than 5, we replace ones, tens, hundreds and thousands place by 0. For example, 5,813,424 rounds down to 5,810,000 since the thousands place is 3. However, if the digit in the thousands place is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, that is greater than 5 or equal to 5, but less than 10, then replace ones, tens, hundreds and thousands digit by 0 and add 1 to the 10,000s place. For example, in the number 62,75,985, since the thousands place is 5, it rounds up to 62,80,000. Now, let's look at rounding off to the nearest 1 lakh. If the digit in the 10,000s place is 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, that is less than 5, we replace the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000 places with 0. For instance, 5,813,424 rounds down to 5,800,000 because the 10,000s place is 1. However, if the digit in the 10,000s place is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, that is greater than 5 or equal to 5, but less than 10, then replace ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s digit by 0 and add 1 to the 10 millions place. For example, 62,75,985 rounds up to 63 lakhs because the 10,000s place is 7. Now, let's explore the method to round off. Step 1. Identify the place value. Decide which place value you want to round to. For example, if we want to round 347 to the nearest 10. Step 2. Look at the next digit. Find the digit immediately to the right of the place value you are rounding to. Then, in step 3, we apply the rounding rules. If the next digit is 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, we round down. This means we keep the rounding digit the same and change all digits to the right to 0 or remove them. If the next digit is 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, we round up. This means we increase the rounding digit by 1 and change all digits to the right to 0 or remove them. For our earlier example, 347 has a next digit of 7, which is greater than 5, so 347 rounds up to 350. In conclusion, rounding off is a useful skill that helps us simplify numbers while keeping them close to their original values. We learned how to round off whole numbers to the nearest 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, and 1 lakh, as well as the steps to round off effectively. Remember these rules, and you will find rounding off to be an easy and helpful tool in your math journey. We hope that you have understood the topic. You can now study chapter notes, watch video lectures, and solve MCQ tests of this chapter on EduRev to ensure you score well in your school exams. And that's not all. You also get amazing courses for maths, science, English, Hindi, and much more for class 5. Thank you.